Hi everyone, welcome to this episode of Tech Niche where we will talk about tech that can help you in your niche. I'm Coach Abby and we'll be talking about the Huawei Freebuds Pro and whether sulit pa bang bilhin siya ngayong 2021, especially with the Freebuds 4i coming out. So it's been a while na meron na tayo nito and I've had this for several months now, and daily driver ko to in terms of yung aking personal consumption sa pagnood ng videos before I go to sleep usually, or if I have to take calls outside of my work from home setup. Kasi ang aking talagang daily driver when it comes to work is this. This is a JBL Quantum 400 gaming headset. It has its built-in mic and it's optimized for gaming with its surround sound. And because I have really big and bony ears, mas komportable talaga ako in terms of long periods of time na mag-headphone. What I really like, kaya binili ko to, is yun nga, if we go out, especially right now with the whole face shield and face mask scenario, maganda to have wireless earbuds instead when you're walking around para hindi natatanggal yung inyong mga kable. Kasi just having this around your neck, dagdag mo pa sa string ng ating face mask and sa face shield, medyo nakaka-stress, no? If you are like me na hindi magsusurvive without background noise or background music of your choice. So I got this on pre-order and it came with this whole package. So meron tayong Freebuds Pro. It came with the Huawei Band 4 for free. I got this for free. So hindi mo tayo tatanggi sa libre. And we have this Huawei gift box. I'm just sharing kasi I noticed that on the website, if you go to Shopee right now, so ang ating pre-order ng Huawei Freebuds 4i includes a gift. So yung gift na inclusion niya, ayan, you can see there, meron din siya nung Bluetooth speaker. Nakikita ko na mukhaan ko siya or nakita kong pareho siya. So I'm gonna show you what's inside this box. Ayan, so ito yung Bluetooth speaker that it comes with. Ito yung kanyang power button. And then you have 5 volts of USB-C power. You have an LED button. You have a reset. In case all else fails, pwedeng siyang sundutin dyan. Then you have additional buttons here for control. You have volume up and down, and next and previews. So yan yung ating simple na Bluetooth speaker. Actually, when I got it for pre-order, hindi lang ito. They actually set in another Bluetooth speaker. I disposed of the box already, pero this is the other Bluetooth speaker that it came out with. Pero ito yung mas gusto ko kasi it's mailaw. Alam nyo naman, mahilig tayo sa mga LED stuff. So ito siya. Ito yung isa pa. So this one I didn't really actually get to use. Pero ito pa rin yung libre dun sa batch ngayon. Which you can see here in our sample. Ayan, yan siya. Hinisura niya. Okay? Now, why did I make this video? Gusto ko lang makita kung ano yung comparison between the Freebuds 4i na palabas pa lang and pre-order na meron pang freebies, or itong Freebuds Pro. Kung sulit ba siya or dapat ko bang pagsisihan when I bought this for pre-order. Now, dun tayo sa features. In terms of battery life, pareho lang on paper yung battery life. Pero, some sources say na mas mahaba ang battery life na promise ng 4i. So, dun sa part na yun, magtataka ka, bakit mas maganda yung battery life nung cheaper version dun sa premium model nila pagdating sa TWS na earbuds. Pero, that is because in terms of the audio quality, sabi rin, ay mas better pa rin ang audio quality ng Pro. Ngayon, I won't go into detail dun dahil nga, again, I don't have the 4i in my possession. At least not for now. I'll just focus on the one feature na meron itong Pro na wala yung 4i, and that is yung connectivity to multiple devices and yung ability to switch from one device to another. Now, if you are buying one just for use sa inyong cellphone, at you're using devices one at a time lang, for example, you have one phone that you're using or you have one laptop that you're using, okay lang kahit yung 4i, I think. Kasi yung feature na yun won't come in handy. But if you are like me who switches from, let's say, I play music on my iPhone, tapos gusto ko rin on call ako sa meeting, nakakonect din at the same time yung aking Freebuds Pro sa aking laptop, and in case na I stop playing music here and I switch to my meeting, madali and fluid yung pag-switch kung ano yung naririnig ko at kung ano napipick up ng mic, then that feature is useful for you. So, kaya nga siguro siya designed for like pro use. Ibig sabihin, may mga features talaga siya na i-withhold dun sa newer model, which is the 4i. Another key thing is, in terms of design quality, design build, very mabigat kasi hindi siya plastic. Hindi plastic yung feel, hindi talaga plastic siya. So, I've dropped this several times nang wala siyang case. Pero, inabes ko siya nalaglag and so far, hindi pa siya pumapalya. So, ang sturdy ng build, ang bigat, pero matibay. And in terms of the design of the actual earbuds, you can see here na may premium feel talaga siya. This one is the silver. So, very glossy siya. Although, fingerprint magnet din siya, hindi naman masyadong halata pag sa malayo mo siya titingnan. Pero, more than just the design na parang hindi siya magmumukhang mock na earbuds or AirPods, one thing na I really appreciate is the controls. You can see here sa gilid, meron siyang sensors. So, ang controls nito is very useful. You have the play and pause, one press. Then you have your next and previews. And meron ka rin ng volume control. That part, I really appreciate. Kasi nga, especially when you're switching from one device to another and you don't have yung control agad, you can actually just use your volume control dito sa buds mismo. And especially since, sabi ko nga, I purchased it dahil nga sa new normal ay kapag tayo naglalakad-lakad, ay ayoko na may kable or I don't have to dig sa aking pouch to find my phone and adjust. I can just do all those controls using this. So far, wala akong reklamo sa kanyang controls. Now, for you, depende yan sa inyo. If you are just a casual user, like if you're gonna use it for entertainment purposes, and again, if you only intend to use it sa isang device, then you might be okay or sapat na or sulit na enough yung 4i which is coming up. And if you are interested to buy that, I have the link sa baba to Shopee para you can access it really quick. And they also have freebies pa nga available right now as of the time of posting this video. Okay, so I'll just show you and discuss yung difference in terms of the Sulit side or the price, no? So this is the 4i. So naka-pre-order pa siya ngayon. So hindi pa siya agad-agad darating. So again, if urgent you need nyo, you might think about buying it na. So right now meron siyang flash deal, pero hindi naman lumalayo yung range ng ating price. So right now you can pre-order until April 29, may pre-order pa siyang benefits. So that may change from time to time, pero diba? So you can buy that or you can also use yung link natin to buy the Freebuds Pro. So the Freebuds Pro, 7,199 na lang siya instead of the original price which is 7,999. So 800 pesos off, malaki na rin yung tipid. And aside from that, meron pa sila ngayong promo. So, I don't know how long siya mag-run. So, if you're gonna buy now, mayroon siyang promo na if you have a jowawers na regaluhan nyo para pares kayo. So, this model is in white, no? Kung gusto mo ng couple na Freebuds Pro, if you buy the second one, it's just 5,999. So, you buy the first one, kung isa lang bibili nyo, 7,199. Pero kung dalawa, it's 13,198. So, ma-average down yung price to roughly about 6,500 pesos. So, yeah. If you have a friend or a kapatid or a jowa, yun. At kung bibili kayo, tas para hindi niya kayo tatanungin kung ba't kayo bumili ng bago, pwede mo sabihin na, hindi, ahan sa'yo yung isa. Yan. Pampadulas. So, ito yung ating Freebuds Pro. If you look at the price, again, kung 6,500 kung dalawa yung bibilhin nyo. Syempre, malaki naman talaga yung difference niya in terms of the price. But again, it depends sa pangangailangan nyo and depende sa budget nyo. So, sa akin, ako personally, hindi ako nagsisisi na binili ko to. Bakit? Kasi if you factor in yung dalawang Bluetooth speaker that I got with it and the Huawei Band 4, which I'm using right now, super sulit niya for me. Pero kung bibilin mo siya ngayon, lalo na kung hindi yung bibili na dalawa, maybe pag-isipan ng mahusay, kung worth it ba talaga o mas maganda na yung 4i na lang ang bilhin natin. I leave it all to you. Pero thank you for joining me in this episode of Techniche. I hope it helped you a little bit sa inyong decision making. Sana. And yan, ingat kayo lagi. God bless, stay safe. And be better today than you were yesterday. I'm Coach Abby. See you sa next natin video. God bless. Bye-bye.